This technique, which I've never shown on this channel before, assisted me in making a decent money online. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll teach you how to do it yourself. If you learn how to use this new innovative strategy, which works globally, you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars passively over and over again. Before we get started, welcome to my channel where I'll be showing the various methods of making money online. Please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas. Let's get back to the video now. So this is the website we'll be using today to generate money online. Right here is called eClincher.com. This is a tool for managing social media. As we can see, on their platform, it will essentially manage your social media accounts for you. Many people hire someone to maintain their social media accounts because they are either unable or unwilling to do so themselves, because they are busy. I'd argue that company owners make up the majority of this website's customers, because think about it. How much time do you have to monitor your personal social media if you're running a business? Not that much time really. Indeed, this tool is ideal for those people since it will not only manage their social media for them, but it will also help them grow their accounts, resulting in the owner making more money. Social media is becoming an essential component of running a business, as proven by the fact that some of the world's largest companies have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts. Now, because I know the majority of you who are watching this don't operate a business, how will this website generate revenue for us? I want you to keep watching because I will not only show you, but I will also tell you how we will be paid for this. But also the tools that you've seen in the introduction with which we may literally earn thousands of dollars with ease, that I recently discovered. In any case, you can learn more about this website by visiting it. Here, take a look at some of the features available. But, as I previously stated, because we are not clients, all of its features are irrelevant to us. As a result, all you have to do now is scroll all the way to the top of the page. Hover your mouse over company right here and you want to select the partner affiliate program, because we want to promote this website. And doing so can result in us being well compensated. You can see down here that per one person who pays for a subscription through your link, you will make between $50 and $100, which is a substantial sum of money. If you refer 100 users to this website in a month, you'll make between $5,000 and $10,000 on the spot. So this has a lot of potential for paying you, and it only gets better from there. Not only do you get paid well, but eClincher has an enormous supply of new customers. Because, as you may be aware, there are literally millions upon millions of people throughout the world that run a business, and would benefit from your services of managing their social media accounts. And, on top of that, they're all potential customers. Something that makes convincing someone to try this out a lot easier is the fact that this site gives a 14-day free trial since, as I'm sure most of you know, getting someone to try out your site or product is the most difficult part of affiliate marketing. You're promoting the same way they are. Obviously, they are doubtful about putting money into something they are unsure if it is legitimate and will pay off. However, with a free trial, it will be a lot easier to persuade someone to test out this service. However, once they do, and see that it's absolutely legitimate and will genuinely benefit them, they'll be happy to pay them to manage their social media. This implies that you are compensated as well. As you can see, the affiliate program on this site has a lot of advantages. It's less difficult to persuade someone to test out the website. Thanks to the advantage of the free trial, you have an unlimited supply of potential clients. Finally, you will be richly compensated. Now go ahead and click on Apply here whenever you introduce someone to their site in any way to join their affiliate program. Then you wish to fill in all of this information, including your email address and your first and last names. These 3 boxes are not required to be filled in, you will leave them blank. Obviously not every affiliate will have a corporation or a website. The next step is to choose your country, and now is a good moment for me to show you what you saw in the intro. Just have a look at the list of nations offered on our website. This works anywhere in the world, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from in the first place. You'll be asked to input your address after you've chosen your nation. To complete the procedure, enter your phone number, password, and connections to all of your social network accounts. Check this box to agree to their affiliate terms, then complete the CAPTCHA and click Sign Up to complete the process. The next step is for you to get approved into their affiliate program, which will take a few hours. However, once you've done so and received an email from them, you'll be able to get that affiliate link, and you'll be paid every time someone clicks on it and then signs up for eClincher. Now that you've received the link, it's time for me to show you where you'll gain traffic. And I've got two options for you. The very first one is simply using several freelancing websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and many others. I'll take Fiverr as an example, but keep in mind that everything I'm about to say applies to all other freelancing sites. What you'll want to do now, guys, is look up social media management. So you're looking for and contacting people who are in charge of other people's accounts, and these are ideal customers for us. Why? Consider this, they have all of these clients contacting them, and they are responsible for managing all of those accounts on their own, despite being paid well. They don't have that much time on their hands, like this person who is asking $50. So, what do you think is going to happen? When you supply them with a tool that will allow them to manage many more accounts for a minimal cost and hence make far more money, the majority of them will be willing to give it a shot, which is why they are ideal customers. They have the funds to pay, and they will most likely be willing to try eClincher around if it will increase their earnings. Ultimately, and most importantly, you will want to contact everyone you can find on Fiverr, People Per Hour, and all of the other freelancing networks and inform them of eClincher. All of its features, including the free trial, are included. As a result, many people will be willing to give it a shot. And, just to remind you, you only need about 10 people to try it out for you to earn between $500 and $1,000 in a matter of minutes, which is insane. With all of that said, as I previously stated, I have two strategies for obtaining traffic. The second is by the use of this brand new website right here named Loophole Link, which I personally utilize to get paid. If you only have a few dollars in your pocket and don't have the time to contact a variety of freelancers and share your affiliate link with them, this is the software for you. As you can see, this will offer you free buyer traffic in less than 30 seconds. And enable you to earn up to $371 per day in entirely passive income. Just underneath it. As you can see, you don't require a website. You don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. In order for this to work, you'll need anything. In other words, this is, possibly, ideal for newbies. However, the best aspect is that it can be used to any niche. So we're promoting eClincher in this video. But if you want to promote a website like Digistore24 or OfferVault, definitely yes, you certainly can. Last but not least, they provide a 365-day money-back guarantee, and will pay you $200 if you don't like it. If this doesn't work out, you may always try something else. As a result, it's safe to conclude that this is essentially risk-free. If you want to give this a try, it's free once more, and I highly recommend it. If you don't have the money right now, though, you can certainly use freelancing platforms. I mentioned previously that you can get traffic this way and still make a lot of money. And with that, I'll conclude today's video. If you enjoyed it and you like my video, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so that you may be alerted to future new videos on making money online. Thank you for taking the time to watch. And I'll see you in the next video.